So we are create waves like ocean, yeah. When you're there, better your son, no the explosion, and we make it commotion.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold and I'm on vacation, or else I'd be at New Rules right now, but I had prior engagements. Anyhow, I am repping today out of town wearing my Alkaline shirt. It's a men's shirt, so you know it's very boxy. Anyhow, I still love it. And Mr. Gold wearing his Alkaline exclusive shirt. So anyhow, we just want to wish everybody a safe, happy New Rules, and you know, it's gonna be lit. The haters keep trying to hate, but it's all good. It's all good. Let them hate, because the more they hate, the more they're making Alkaline trend. Either way, I just can't believe that people are still talking about Alkaline's interview and they don't know the style that happened. So make sure you guys get your ticket. Make sure you guys get your exclusive Jamaican rum bar rum. Make sure you guys get your exclusive merch at the event, and make sure that you reach and go home safely. Also remember to look about transportation plans. Don't leave till last minute, and don't wait till going to the door to get your tickets as well. Last time when I went to the first New Rules, it was sold out right away, immediately. So you know, don't think you're gonna get it at the door. It's better you get your tickets in advance and don't risk it. All right, so have a safe time. We'll definitely provide more footage of New Rules as the time goes and things come out, but I'm wishing you all the best.